be turning good. This HX15 has a small 1000 PTO. You can see it looks good. It's not all beat up. It's got stump jumpers on it. The deck is good. Main deck looks good too. I mean, it's a very straight looking rotary mower, and everything seems to turn by hand with ease. I don't feel too much slop or anything like that, so I think it's good. The drive shaft for it's laying right there on the deck, and it does have 6 spring-loaded tires across the back. They're all spring-loaded, and it does have a chain kit front and back.